Today, I've got something really useful for you. Are you having trouble with a swipe reply option on your Instagram app? It's either not showing up or just not working, right? No worries, I'm here to help you out. Stick with me until the end of this video and we'll get this sorted together. So let's dive right in and see what this issue is all about. When you open Instagram and go to any conversation, you might want to reply to a specific message, right? Normally, you'd long press on a message and tap on the reply option or simply swipe right on the message to reply. But if you're finding that this isn't working, I've got a few solutions for you. First up, check if you're using vanish mode in your messages. This is a cool Instagram feature where messages disappear after you view them. But the catch is, the reply option doesn't work in this mode. If you've got vanish mode on, just swipe up to turn it off. Still no luck? Time to check if your Instagram app is up to date. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram and see if there's an update available. If there is, hit that update button and give it a few minutes. If updating didn't do the trick, let's try removing data from the app. Go to your device settings, find Apps, and then find Instagram in your list of apps, tap on it, click on Storage and Cache, and then hit Clear Storage option. This clears the cache and gets rid of unnecessary data. After doing that, head back to Instagram. Log into your account with a fresh start. The problem should be fixed by now. But what if none of these steps worked? Don't worry, I've got one more trick up my sleeve. Take a screenshot of the problem in your Instagram chat. Then, head over to your profile, tap on those three lines at the top right corner, and go to Settings. From there, find Help and then Report a problem. Write a message to the Instagram team explaining your issue, and don't forget to attach that screenshot. Send off the report, and they should get back to you in a day or two to fix the problem. And there you have it. Hopefully, one of these solutions gets your swipe reply feature back on track. If this video helped you out, drop a comment below and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.